Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we are actually going to do something kind of cool and really simple, so this should be a relatively short video. In our theme for getting the JK set up for overlanding this fall, we are actually going to install from Rockslide Engineering a table right here on the back door. I know a lot of you guys have seen similar products, but this one is actually really cool, and I'm going to tell you why. Plus, on top of that, for those of you who are subscribed to the channel, if you stick around in this video, at some point, I got a really cool giveaway for you. So, you know what? Stick around. Let's see if we can have some fun, shall we? So welcome back to Jeeping for Beginners, folks. Once again, my name is Josh, and today we are actually installing a full table on the tailgate of the JK. For most of us, we look at it, we realize that it's kind of wasted space back there. And I know you've seen a lot of the products out there with little shelves that fold down and whatnot, but for whatever reason, this one from Rockslide Engineering really had me intrigued. And I'm going to show you why. This thing is actually pretty cool, and it's super simple to install. So what we're going to do is we're going to get it installed, and I'm going to show you the features and how it works. And then at some point, we're going to talk about a really cool giveaway just for you guys. So let's dive right in, shall we? Since we're doing this on my particular Jeep, this is the tailgate door on the JK. The really cool part about this product, and we're going to start off by saying, is that it'll work on the JK, it'll work on the JL models, and believe it or not, they even have it already set up to work on the Bronco as well. So this is actually a pretty versatile little unit, and depending upon which model you have, the directions are crystal clear, and they show you exactly what you got to do in order to install it. So for the JK, what we got to do is first we got to find the center hole, which I had already done. It kind of sucks that this is black, so it kind of makes it a little bit more difficult to see. But right here, I've already drilled a pilot hole. This is going to be for the center. There's a total of 5 mounting points, I believe, for this on the JK, 3 on the JL, or 4 on the Bronco, something like that. I don't remember. I'd have to read through the directions again. But anyways, this is going to be the center, so we're going to start there, get it hung, and I'm going to show you just how simple and easy it is to put this up there. Then we're going to talk about why we chose this one. So as you saw in that short clip, it's actually relatively easy. Just a couple of self-tapping screws, which are provided by Rockslide. It just attaches right to the door, and it's pretty solid. But here's why I like this one. Most of your rear door trays is just one tray, folds down like this. It's got 2 little straps. It gives you an area maybe to make some sandwiches or whatnot on the trail. But the reason I really like this one is when you open it up, it's got 2 levels, and these act as a nice windscreen, so that if you are trying to make sandwiches and it's a little breezy, or prepare food for any reason, you've got probably 3 times as much space as a standard fold-down shelf. Super easy to install and super versatile. I really like this. So putting it away is just as easy. She just folds back up, in, and there's a magnet at the bottom that holds it shut. So, what do you guys think? Pretty slick, huh? The coolest part is, for whatever reason, and don't ask why, I have 2 of these. This one is brand new. In the box, never been opened. And I want to give it to you. So, you want to know how easy it's going to be to win a free 2-tiered table for the back of your Jeep? Let me tell you. Alright, so now for the rules that go along with this contest. And if you've ever played one of these games with us here on this channel, you probably already know what they are. So, rule number 1, very important. You have to be subscribed to the channel in order to qualify. And believe me, I'm going to check. Rule number 2 is you need to hit the like button on the video and then put a comment down below that says, wow, that is really cool and I want one. It's that simple, folks. That's all you got to do. I'm going to go through the comments and I'm going to pick a winner out of one of you that makes a comment on the video. So in 3 weeks from today, I will close the comment section down so that I can choose a winner. And the following weekend, I'm going to announce who that winner is. So stay tuned, folks, because in less than a month, one of you is going to win this really cool table from Rockslide Engineering. And honestly, I hope it's you. Look at that. Works just like a table. Who would have thought? Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in to Jeeping for Beginners. Once again, my name is Josh. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. In the meantime, this is just one of the couple dozen things that I still have lined up to get this thing ready for our overland adventure. So be sure to stay tuned and check us out next time. In the meantime, stay safe, happy Jeeping, and we will see you next time. All right, guys. So for those of you who are counting down with us to our epic adventure in September, you can see that we've already accomplished so much, but there's still so much to do. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned because there is so much more to come here on Jeeping for Beginners.